Hi, Nick from Solution World of Clean. Have you tried our micro spotter? This stuff uses advanced detergent-free technology, shattering the bond between soil molecule and the surface you're cleaning. It's a fantastic all-round general spot and stain remover. Use it on pretty much anything. Well, anything that's not sensitive to water. One other nice thing, you can buy it in 500ml bottles, or you can buy it in 5-litre containers. Better still, you can even buy it with your details on it. See this? Business cards. We all use them. What happens? People get it and they go, oh yeah, I'll put that in my wallet. I'll save that for later on. And then the wallet gets too full. Wallet's full. Okay, right. See? They've lost your business card. This won't fit in a wallet, which means it doesn't get thrown away. Customers will use this and then they'll come back to you, not me, you for a refill. Pretty cool, that. If you could sell one of these to every customer you go to see, you probably covered your fuel for the day. Because you can charge what you like for it. It's not available off the shelf, it's available from you. Professional spot and stain remover. Oh, one other thing. Don't try this at home. Advanced detergent-free technology from Solution World of Clean is based on food additives. Makes your hair fall out, as you've probably noticed. Oh boy, does it taste horrible. I don't advise you do that, but as you can see, I'm still here. Safe for pets and kids. Not that I'm advocating they drink it, of course. Nice stuff for spot and stain removal.